Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. In this video, I will show you exactly how to view block numbers on your Android phone. Whether you block someone accidentally or just want to check your list, this is the fastest way to find it. Here's a quick overview of the steps. Step 1. Open your phone app. Step 2. Go to Call Settings. Step 3. Find blocked numbers. Let us get started. Step 1. Open your phone app. First, open the phone app on your Android device. This is the app you use to make calls. The icon usually looks like a green phone handset. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on Settings. Step 2. Find block numbers. In the Settings menu, you'll find block numbers or call blocking. Tap it. Here, you'll see a list of all the phone numbers you have blocked. It could be just one or a whole bunch. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find your block numbers on Android. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, share, and of course, subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more simple tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.